Excuse me, Appa, please stop, please. Hello.
Hey, why? What? Why are you talking to me like this?
I'm a
Who are you?
younger brother of this student of you, but last day we have meted with you. Can't you know me?
No, I don't remember. When?
Last day you were directed a wrong way of statistics building. But why? A new student, as a new student, I am very suffered last day. But why you are doing with me?
I really don't remember when it was.
Last day.
Last day when?
At 10 a.m. I was asked you
Okay.
which was located the statistics building, because I am a student of this.
I remember, but I showed you. It was at the left side, and after three buildings there were statistics building.
No, this is located in the right side. This is very suffering for me. I am
I said left side. It was left side.
It was left side, but now maybe
Look,
it is
listen.
changed.
If I go there, it will be left side on me. But if you are standing
Right now.
you are standing before me as like this. This is right. No, this is not right. This is left. If you go that way, it will be left.
Your right side and my left side.
Yes.
Oh, it was so mistake. So
Yes.
sorry, Appa.
Don't talk to me like this. I'm a senior girl.
Okay, sorry,
should
Appa,
show
sorry.
some- show
Sorry, I'm
some
so sorry.
respect. You shouldn't talk to anyone like this. Okay? Not with me, but anyone.
Okay.
She or he could be your junior or senior. You should ask them or talk them with politely. Okay?
Okay.
Don't do this again, or they will beat you.
Because it was very hot day and I was very suffered
Okay,
in the
I
yesterday.
can understand because it was your first day at this university, so it was really hard for you. It's a new environment for you.
Okay.
So I don't mind now, but if you talk to me like this, I will really it won't be good for you. Okay.
Next time I will be try to
Okay.
develop
And
in my
which subject did you join here?
economics.
Economics.
Yeah.
Okay, that's an interesting subject.
What is your subject?
Okay, mine was the history,
Okay.
and now I'm in final year. So this is the last year for me,
Okay.
and best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Okay. Bye bye.